Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable accidental mistouch protection in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Go to settings. Then go to home screen and lock screen. And here you will have the option pocket mistouch prevention. Just to turn on this button so that pocket mistouch prevention will be enabled. That means prevent accidental touches that may occur while your phone is in your pocket. Okay, so if you have your phone is in your pocket, sometimes mistouch may occur. Okay, if you want to prevent this mistouch, make sure that this button is always turned on. Okay, so that you can avoid accidental mistouch in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.